Hey, good morning. It is like 3:30 in the morning, and I wanted to make sure I said a big thank you to the company inspired by Diné Bizaad. Look them up on Facebook. Inspired by Diné Bizaad. They sent me some items that are really nice, really cute. This one says, "Excuse my Najoni." Hopefully, you guys can read that. Excuse my Najoni water bottle. They also sent me a t-shirt that says Diné Bikaya's Okayest Marine. These are one of their most selling item, which is a t-shirt. And also a nice tote bag that says straight out of the Nebakaya. I wanted to show this to you guys and make sure that I say thank you. Visit their Facebook page. It's early in the morning right now, so I'm kind of rushing out the door. Visit them on Facebook. When I get their contact information, I'll be posting it below. But anyway, thank you guys so much, especially the company inspired by Diné Bizaad. They've got a lot of products. They want to keep inspiring people to speak Diné Bizaad through their products and apparels. Thank you. Hakoshine. Talk to you later. Bye.